Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes at your favorite brewery? Get ready to uncover the secrets of the sudsy world of beer making as we take you on an exclusive journey inside a brewery. But be warned, what you're about to discover might just change the way you see your favorite pint forever. Welcome to Factforge, where we bring you the untold stories behind everyday wonders. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of beer manufacturing. From the malty beginnings to the golden pour, get ready to witness the alchemy of ale unfold before your very eyes. Our journey begins in the heart of the brewery, where sacks of barley await their transformation into liquid gold. But the magic doesn't start here. Oh no, it starts with the malting process where barley is coaxed to life, releasing sugars vital for fermentation. Did you know? The color, flavor, and body of beer are heavily influenced by the malting process. From pale lagers to rich stouts, every beer has its own malty fingerprint. Next up, we venture into the mash tun, where malted barley meets hot water in a steamy embrace. Here, enzymes go to work, breaking down starches into fermentable sugars. It's a dance of chemistry and craftsmanship, where every step is critical to the final brew. But here's the kicker. Not all beers are created equal. Different mash temperatures and durations can yield vastly different results. Want a full-bodied stout? Opt for a higher mash temperature. Craving a crisp pilsner? Keep it cool and short. As our journey continues, we're faced with a brewing dilemma. Hops. These humble cones pack a punch, adding bitterness, aroma, and stability to our beloved brews. But beware, not all hops are created equal. Some varieties bring floral notes, while others unleash a cascade of citrus. But here's where things get interesting. Did you know? The timing and method of hop addition can drastically alter a beer's flavor profile. From early bittering additions to late aroma bombs, brewers wield hops like flavor sorcerers, crafting beers that tantalize the taste buds. Now, brace yourselves as we enter the boiling kettle, where wort meets heat in a steamy showdown. Here, the wort undergoes a vigorous boil, extracting flavors and sterilizing the brew. It's a sight to behold, a bubbling cauldron of potential just waiting to be tapped. But wait, there's more. Did you know? The boiling process isn't just about sterilization. It's also where complex caramelization reactions occur, adding depth and character to the final beer. It's like a symphony of flavor conducted by the skilled hands of the brewmaster. And there you have it, the mesmerizing journey of beer making from grain to glass. But this is just the tip of the frothy iceberg. If you want to unlock more brewing secrets and explore the fascinating world of manufacturing, be sure to subscribe to Factforge and join us on our next adventure. Until then, cheers and happy brewing. Thanks for watching.